Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers.
We are coming at you from our free campsite on the Yellowstone River, just about 16 miles north of the Gardner entrance to Yellowstone National Park. And this is the Cabrera.
How about
We'll put
Carbella?
the sign up here, and it is a national recreation area. Has a total of 16 campsites that are free, that come with a bear box, picnic table, fire ring, gravel parking, etc. There is a camp host, so there are 15 sites available. You do need to be in a numbered site.
Yes.
Currently, they are working on the boat ramp, so that area is closed. Once again, if you're coming to a first-come site,
The earlier you get here, the better.
Sunday night, it was full. We saw three different, about 5 o'clock?
Yes.
5, 6 o'clock?
Yes.
We saw three different RVs loop through and leave. And so, if you're coming here earlier, we filmed this morning, and I think there are 3 sites available right
Yes.
now. Do want to say that we don't have video of it, but 2 miles south of here, toward Gardner, there is a National Forest campground on your left as you're going south.
Gardner, yes.
And I would not try to get in there if we had an RV any longer than 25 feet.
No.
Those sites look pretty, they're neat. They're in boulders and stuff,
Yes.
but they're just $10 a night as of the current price. But
And $5 with a pass.
senior pass. 2 reasons we wanted to be here. One is it's free, but the other is we are further off of the highway. That one is literally right on the
Yes.
highway. You really can't see or hear the highway at night, and we can see and hear
Yes.
the Yellowstone River. So if you are looking for a dispersed place north of Yellowstone,
This is great.
we
We're
love it.
perfectly level.
And there are vault toilets. There's no
Yes.
trash, but there are vault toilets. So
Yes.
cannot beat it for free. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.